Welcome to Freevision VILTA-SE user guide. Let's go through the steady mode of VILTA-SE. VILTA-SE will enter semi-follow mode after power on. The status indicator will turn yellow. Tilt and roll axis will be locked. Pan axis will move smoothly with handle. Single tap the mode button. Status indicator will turn red. It will activate the follow mode. Roll axis will be locked. Tilt and pan axis will move smoothly with handle. Single press the mode button again. Status indicator will turn green. It will activate the locked mode. Roll, tilt and pan axis will be locked. The smartphone will always keep the current shooting direction. Press the mode button again. Status indicator will flash in yellow. It will activate the POV mode. Roll, tilt and pan axis will smoothly follow. The user can shoot in any directions. Triple tap the mode button. It will recenter the smartphone. Beside the POV mode, user can freely adjust the shooting angle. Open setting under semi-follow mode and tap Imagine Action to activate the rotation mode. Level your device and make the rotation shot.